In this video, I'll guide you through how to check active sessions in Claude AI so you can see where your account is currently logged in and keep everything secure. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Claude website by typing the main address into the address bar. Press enter and wait for the page to load. If you're not already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main Claude interface, you're ready to move on. Next, you'll need to access your account settings. Look toward the top corner of the page for your profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or a circular icon that represents your account. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu should appear, giving you different account-related options. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open the main settings page for your Claude account. Take a moment to let the page load fully, because all your account controls and security options will be located here. Within the settings area, you now want to find the section that manages your account or security details. Depending on the current layout, you may see tabs or menu items such as Account Security or something similar along the side or across the top of the page. Click on the tab labeled Account or Security. If both are visible, look under Security first, since that's usually where login activity and device details are stored. Once you're in the Account or Security section, look for a heading or area called Active Sessions or Logged In Devices. This is the section that lists every place your Claude account is currently signed in. It may be presented as a simple list or as separate cards representing each device. When you find that list, take your time reviewing it. For each active session, you'll typically see the type of device such as Mac, Windows, iPhone, or Android. You'll also see which browser was used, for example, Chrome, Safari, or another browser, and an approximate location, usually based on the network or region the device is using. This location will not be exact, but it gives you a general idea of where the login came from. As you scan through the sessions, look for anything that doesn't seem familiar. Check whether the devices match what you actually use and whether the locations make sense for you. It's normal to see a few entries if you use Claude on multiple devices, like a laptop and a phone, or in different browsers. If you notice a session that you don't recognize or a location that seems off, that can be a sign that you should secure your account. Most platforms that show active sessions also give you an option to sign out of individual devices or all devices except your current one. While the exact controls may vary, it's a good habit to periodically come back to this page, review the list, and remove any sessions you no longer need, and that's all there is to it. By going to the Claude website, opening your profile settings, navigating to the Account or Security tab, and reviewing the active sessions or logged in devices section, you can quickly check where your Claude AI account is active and keep better control over your account security.